Copy ko kulat ko di. Sukat log. To. Thanks. Okay, whatever.
Discuss natin about frequency distribution. Ito naman,
Otto.
ito, madali mo makita. Each employee is most represented, for example, in our college and it is better.
Ay, salamat.
And then also, yung Instagram, ginagamit ko siya for quantitative purpose. Mamaya makita natin why it's only for quantitative purpose. Yung bagay kasi pwede mo siyang gamitin kahit sa ordinary data. For example, ito, countries. So yung countries na
Tigil.
are
Patay.
nominal.
Patay.
You can also use part of that. But for histogram, does not really make sense to have histogram.
It's just
Okay? Pie chart. Very simple pie chart. Again, employee classification. Anong difference naman sa bar graph? Yung bar graph, kita ko sin taas. Pero yung pie chart, it helps you to assess the relative distribution, relative frequency na itatrate sa frequency. So, dito, kita natin na yung graphs pala, yes, they are the most represented among the employees. Pero, when you look at the overall relative representativeness, they're half.
malamang ako.
Half of the total employees. And then, even on the education level, okay? So, line graph naman. So, ito.
It's an ugly
Ito
thing.
ko yung data from USA. Again, on year-on-year GDP growth. Just because domestic product growth at constant 2018 prices. So, kailangan ito yung constant yan. Otherwise, you will have factors of inflation na it will be less informative, graph. So ito, at constant 2018 prices, assuming prices in 2018, you have this
Ratatouille.
negative to that is the active function of the word. So, we can have
Ratatouille.
second quarter. Okay? And then after that, they just stable down. Okay, then you go down again towards 2022.
Kakula.
So yun lang yan. And you want to see trends and then graphs. So either you are smoking or is not smoker, or incidental graphs. Okay? And then, ito by variant data. So, pag pinagsama natin ito ng variable, incidence of lung cancer and smoking incidence. Ito na yan, magiging tuloy. So, pagbasa lang yan, tignan mo kung may relationship kung nag-iiba-iba na with the higher frequency, for example, yung lung cancer, does it always grow or smoker and so, kung titignan mo dito, diba?
Time to get nerd,
kapag smoker ka, ang frequency niya with lung cancer is around 37% higher compared sa non-smoker. And then, on the other side naman, kapag non-smoker ka, wala kang lung cancer. So, substantially mistaken.
No.
Compared sa okay? kung nakikita mo na what's a relationship between smoking and
Gusto ko fly.
relationship in general.
Listen to it. Oh, yes.
And I don't know if you can do this, but I would just like you to do is just focus on
Please down.
So, for example,
Dang.
variable versus
Wait.
whether recording
Buliga.
light or okay.
Buliga.
Whether you're young or old.
Yes, hindi lang. Gambling.
So, hanggang isang
Gambling.
So, 8 plus 12, 45. 10 plus 4, 15, 24. Masyadong kakala yun. Compared mo dun sa
Tisha.
ganun din.
What?
Well, medyo significant siya. 6 versus 3. Mas maraming babae ang nila.
Bla bla bla.
Eh, tingnan mo naman yung young and old versus earning lights or open or less number of lights. So, kung young, so 15 plus 10, 25, and then for 12 plus 14, 20 something, much different conditions. And process of information. Pero you do not dig
So, naman naman.
because there is exact part. Right? So, ito medyo malaki table. Hawa ko ito sa ADB. So, sa ADB, nag-publish sila ng SDG indicators among the Asia Pacific and member countries. So, anong klase ng data? Univariate, bivariate, or multivariate? And then, ano yung mga variables? Multivariate? Yes, ano yung mga variables na ngayon? Multivariate. Member economies, yes.
Oh. Na.
So, madali ito.
No. No. Yes.
Diretso na tayo para makakit tayo after friends. So, normal distribution tayo. So, kanina focus tayo sa basic. Then, mag-promote na rin siya.
Ganyan.
So, yung parang pinaka